the team leader of the parish of Our Lady of Loreto, who is here with us this evening. And my heart is filled with joy and gratitude to God and to Our Lady of Loreto for allowing me to be the one who will place the crown on Our Lady this here in the entire Catholic Church. That shows Pope Francis's great love for Our Lady, for the Filipino community in Rome. So for me, as representative of Pope Francis, it gives me a lot of joy to be with you this evening. And finally, let me say that
Cardinal.
The moment in which your beautiful image of Our Lady of Loreto here in São Paulo received the pontifical coronation, the crowning image of Mama Mary, Our Lady of Loreto. It was 5 years ago, in 2019, that our Holy Father Pope Francis decided that the feast
Mga minamahal na kapatid kay Kristo, ating ngayong salubungin ang paglabas ng ating mahal na ina. Pagmasdan po natin ngayon ang karosa ng ating mahal na Birhen ng Loreto na siyang nakatanggap ngayon ng koronasyon pontifical. At sa tatlong ito, mga kaibigan, ay sama-sama po natin ipahayag ang ating pasasalamat sa Panginoon sa paggagamit